Okay, my friends, if you haven't been to the Philippines, this is one of the ways, transportation that the Filipinos use, called a jeepney. And it's the most economic way to get around the Philippines. Tricycles can be expensive, so I just found this jeepney sitting here and they said I could make a movie of it. That's the cheapest way to get from point A to point B besides using your feet. Spare tires on top. Hell, sometimes people ride on top. I've seen that before. It's usually somewhere between 8 pesos and 15 pesos to ride the jeepney.